Good morning, everyone. I am Ravi Kumar, Assistant Professor of History in Government College Jammu Kala, Ismailabad, Kurukshetra. And I joined the Induction or Faculty Development Program organized by Ramanujan College, University of Delhi. And honestly speaking, initially I was a little bit in doubt about this online faculty development program. And when I consulted with my colleagues, they assured me that Ramanujan College is known for its quality, and the college will not disappoint me. So I registered myself and paid the fee, and then I got enrolled in this program. And when I came to know that Professor Dinesh Singh is going to inaugurate the session. He is the professor of mathematics and former vice chancellor of University of Delhi. And because I have been a student of University of Delhi, I have done my post graduation from Department of History. So I know Professor Singh, that he is a really aspiring figure in academics, and he is known for his innovation and practical thinking. So I began to realize that if a Professor Singh is going to inaugurate the session of this program, then definitely this course has something new and unique. Then the video began to prop up, and assignment were began to assign. And then I began to realize that no, really I have done a great thing, that I joined this program, and it is really a innovative, very thoughtful, and very enlightening program for me. I am not a techno savvy person. I don't know too much about technology, about computer science, but still they are giving me such kind of assignments that I keep pushing myself, and I'm learning a lot every day. I'm learning new things every day, and honestly speaking, I'm really enjoying this course. And we all know that this time is really a tough time for our country. We are in the middle of corona crisis. We can't go outside. So the joining this course is my best decision in last 2 or 3 months. And I got up very excited every day that new assignments are gonna to come. They will challenge me, and I have to make assignment. I have to submit them on time. So I'm really enjoying this time, this program, and I would like to thank the entire Ramanujan College for designing such a beautiful and innovative course. And I hope that they will continue to surprise me, they will continue to push me, and they will continue to assign new assignments to us. And I hope that when I will go to my college to teach, I would be a different kind of teacher, and I hope that the students will find me for a change. So again, I would like to thank the entire Ramanujan College for such a beautiful course. Thank you very much.